This is a used 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. It's powered by four-wheel drive, a 5.3-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and a 4-speed automatic transmission. The features include a sunroof, internet connectivity, heated seats, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, steering wheel controls, a DVD system, memory seats, alloy rims, auto-dimming mirrors. Safety was made a priority with these features: a backup camera, curtain head airbags, rain sensing wipers, traction control, parking sensors, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, daytime running lights. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.